To integrate Bill4Time with Xero, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Settings page. From there, click on the Add-ons tab and select Xero from the list of available integrations. You will be prompted to enter your Xero login credentials to authorize the connection. Once connected, you will need to configure the integration settings. This includes mapping your Bill4Time accounts to the corresponding Xero accounts, such as your income and expense accounts. You can also specify the payment terms and invoice settings that will be used when syncing data between the two systems. To sync your data, navigate to the Sync page and click on the Sync Now button. This will initiate a two-way sync between Bill4Time and Xero, where invoices, payments, and clients are synced in real time. You can also schedule automatic syncs to run at regular intervals, such as daily or weekly. One of the key benefits of integrating Bill4Time with Xero is the ability to streamline your invoicing and payment process. With this integration, you can create invoices in Bill4Time and have them automatically sync to Xero, where they can be paid and reconciled. You can also track the status of your invoices and payments in real time, making it easier to manage your cash flow and stay on top of your finances. To get the most out of this integration, it is recommended that you regularly review and reconcile your data to ensure accuracy and consistency. You should also take advantage of the reporting features in both Bill4Time and Xero to gain insights into your business performance and make informed decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Bill4Time with Xero and start streamlining your invoicing and payment process today. This integration can help you save time, reduce errors, and improve your overall financial management, allowing you to focus on growing and developing your business.